In the last video, we learned about the first part of conflict-sensitive teaching, making sure what and how we are teaching does not contribute to the conflict. In this video, we will learn about the second part of conflict-sensitive teaching, providing opportunities for peace and inclusion. This second part of conflict-sensitive teaching, providing opportunities for peace and inclusion, shares goals with peace education. How can we provide opportunities for peace and inclusion? We can teach problem-solving skills. For example, we can teach the steps we can use to solve problems. Then we can give students a chance to use these steps. We can give them problem scenarios and have them work together to find a solution. We can also give students opportunities to develop conflict resolution skills. We can teach students the language they need to show respect for others, even when they disagree with one another. We can teach students how to actively listen and respectfully respond to each other. We can teach the language needed to share our differing opinions, like, "I felt angry when you said that because," "I disagree with what you said because." Then we can ask students to create skits that show how they can resolve a disagreement with a classmate. Students can perform their skits for the class. Our classrooms also should accept and celebrate the unique differences we have. Finally, we should allow students to contribute to their learning space in ways that celebrate who they are. We can include readings and writing assignments that focus on topics like nonviolence, human rights, conflict prevention, conflict resolution, and peace. For example, through music, dance, poetry, and drawing, we can have students share with us what peace means to them, what it looks like, what it feels like, and what their wishes are for peace in their own community. We cannot control the conflicts that surround our students, but we can create classrooms that are zones of peace and a safe place for all to be, to grow, and to learn.